The Blaze Mastercard and Blaze Visa Signature are aimed at people with poor or limited credit who want to rebuild their score without having to put down a security deposit. Both report monthly to all three major credit bureaus, which is key to improving credit history through on-time payments. After 6 months of responsible use, accounts are reviewed for potential credit limit increases, which can help reduce credit utilization over time. The Visa Signature version stands out for having no balance transfer fees, a rare perk in this category, and it offers 1.5% cashback. Some offers also come with low or even no annual fee, making them slightly more affordable than many other unsecured cards for bad credit. Both include zero liability protection for unauthorized purchases, adding a layer of security. However, the drawbacks are hard to ignore. Most offers come with annual fees ranging from $0 to $75, which immediately cuts into available credit from the start. The Blaze Mastercard has an APR around 29.90%, high enough to make carrying a balance expensive. Credit limits often start very low, sometimes as little as $350, making it difficult to make larger purchases while keeping utilization low. The card also lacks strong perks beyond basic cash back on the Visa version, so it is not ideal for maximizing rewards. For the Blaze Visa Signature, membership with Blaze Credit Union is required, which adds an extra eligibility step. In short, Blaze credit cards can be a decent stepping stone for those with damaged credit who want an unsecured option and can pay their balance in full each month. They work best when used purely as a credit building tool, not as a long-term rewards card. But with low limits, high interest, and fees that eat into value, they can quickly become costly if not managed carefully. Anyone prone to carrying a balance or looking for richer benefits will likely find better options elsewhere.